Numberblock fans! In today's video, we're going to explore the Numberblock Prank Club. So we're explore the Numberblock Prank Club from 1 to 20. Let's see how many numbers is in the Prank Club. Before I build, let's go. Well, before I build, I would like to ask you a question that, what is Prank Club? Prank Club is a club refers for the members can only make rectangles into shapes, standing as tall or as wide as they can. They cannot be divided by any other numbers into equal parts. Or we can also call that the numbers which cannot divide it into the others numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Or we can also call can divide it by itself and the ones. Or also can make only 2 rectangles, one for standing tall and one for laying wide. Alright, let's go to the first Numberblock Prank Club. First Numberblock Prank Club is 2. Numberblock 2 is made out of 2 orange blocks. And he has 1 faceplate, 1 sticker, and 1 number link. Well, here is our Numberblock 2. Numberblock 2 is the first member of the prank club. Here, Numberblock 2 can only make 2 rectangles. Here is his standing tall and laying wide. Here is the Numberblock 2 laying wide. 2 by 1 rectangle formation. And here is our Numberblock 2. Let's explore the Numberblock 3. Alright, let's move to the Numberblock 3. Numberblock 3 is made out of 3 yellow blocks. Let's build the Numberblock 3. Numberblock 3 has 3 yellow blocks, and she has the orange eyes and red mouth and 3 pointed crown. And she also has the 3 red juggling balls. And here is our number link 3. And here is our Numberblock 3. Numberblock 3 is the second member of the prank club. Here is her standing tall and laying wide. Numberblock 3 is made out of 1 by 3 or 3 by 1. So, Numberblock 3 is the second member of the prank club. Alright, here's our finish. Numberblock 3. Third member of the prank club is Numberblock 5. Numberblock 5 is made out of 5 light blue blocks. Well, Numberblock 5 has 1 faceplate and 1 sticker and 1 number link. And here's our finish, Numberblock 5. Numberblock 5 can only make the rectangles only 2 rectangles. 1 for standing tall, 1 for laying wide. 5 by 1 rectangle formation. Alright, she's the third member of the prank club. Alright, let's move to the next character. Alright, let's build the fourth character. Numberblock 7. 7 is the fourth member of the prank club. He cannot make any rectangles. He can make only 2 rectangles. 1 for laying wide and 1 for standing tall. He is the member of the lucky club because he is a rainbow. And we need 1 violet faceplate here. And don't forget the Numberblock 7's number link. And this is Numberblock 7. We can lay the Numberblock 7 into 7 by 1 rectangle formation. Like this. 7 by 1 rectangle formation. And let's change the tall. Alright. He is the fourth member of the prank club. Well, here is our finish, Numberblock 7. Next, let's build Numberblock 11. 11 is made out of 10 white blocks and 1 red block. Well, Numberblock 11 is the 5th member of the prank club, which is she is a footballer. She loves to encourage everyone. We need 2 faceplates, 2 face stickers, and 1 number link. And let's find her number link. And here's our Numberblock 11's number link. Alright, here is our Numberblock 11. She is the 5th member of the prank club. Let's lay 11 into 1 by 11. Here, Numberblock 11 1 by 11 rectangle formation. And she can make only 2 rectangles, 1 for standing tall and 1 for the laying wide. 11 by 1. Let's change into the normal rectangle. And here is our finished Numberblock 11 in the 5th member of the prank club. Let's build the 6th member of the prank club. What is it? Unlucky Numberblock 13. 13 is the 6th member of the prank club. Well, we build 2 by 5 rectangle formation and put 3 yellow blocks at the corner. Like this. And then we need 4 faceplates. 1 for his right eye, 1 for his left eye, 1 for his mouth, and 1 for his cheek. Like this. But don't forget the Numberblock 13's number link. And here's our finished Numberblock 13. But let's see how many rectangles that he can make. 1 by 13 rectangle formation. 13 by 1 rectangle formation. Only standing tall and laying wide. Alright, let's build our Numberblock 17. 17 needs 10 white blocks and 7 rainbow blocks. Here, our Numberblock 17. We need 10 white faceplates. 2 for his forehead, 5 for his plaits, and 3 for his face. There. 3 face, and then we need 2 for his cheeks and forehead, and then 5 more to make his own splats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. Numberblock 17. He is a painter. So I found the Numberblock 17. He's the 7th member of the prank club. Let's see how many rectangles that he can make. 1 by 17 rectangle formation. Or 17 by 1 rectangle formation. He can make only 2 rectangles. Let's change him into normal. 17. Alright, let's go to the last character is 19. 19 is the 8th member of the prank club. Well, I found the number blocks from 1 to 20, which are the prank club. From 2 to 19. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19 are the prime numbers. So we found 8 characters in the prank club. There. Numberblock 19. We build 6 blocks wide from the instruction. Alright, we need 4 faceplates. Oh, I put it wrong. Sorry. The cheek is at the left. And here, our number block 19. And one for Numberlink. And here is our number block 19. 19 can make only 2 rectangles too. Let's see. 1 by 19 rectangle formation. But we can also call 19 by 1 rectangle formation. She has only 2 rectangles. Let's change into the normal formation. There, number block 19 has 2 rectangles. Let's review our number blocks prank club from 1 to 20. Alright, so we got the number block 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. We have 8 members of the prank club from 1 to 20. So here is our number blocks that prank club that we're exploring today. And that was the end of today's video. If you enjoy my videos, you can click like, subscribe, and bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye bye.